So I am going to show you how to use Book Creator. Really excited about you guys doing this. So after you write your final draft for your narrative story, you are going to be making the ebook for the kids to use. So if you go to sign in, you are going to click on student sign in and click on using your account. Meanwhile, I'm going to use mine because that's what I do. All right. So once you get in, you are going to be have access to um, the bookcreator.com, and then you're going to join this actual library, and I'm going to show the code here. So pause this video if you need to just make sure to type in these letters STQLRKP. So once you're done and you're able to get in, you're going to click on new book, and then it's going to, let's just go ahead and do that for kicks. Guys, so there are 6 options that you can use. You can use any one you want. The preferred, now just think about this when you are making your book, whatever book you're making, just think about your goal. Your goal is to create a book for 3rd graders. So the top 3 might be the easiest for you to use. The bottom 3 are comic book. Comic book will probably not be the best way that we share the story with the 3rd graders. Maybe if you have time, you can play around and make a second version of your book using the comic books features at the bottom. But for now, just pick the one that would appeal to a 3rd grader and be easy for them to read. So go ahead and click on it. So now this is your cover. On your cover, and you could just play around with this, see how everything works. But this is where you're going to put your title. If you want to add text, you do this. The name of my book is called The Little Teacher. Okay. Then I click done. Oh, if you want to make the font bigger, let's see. Oops. So yeah, you left click and then edit text format. This will actually pop up, and this is where you can make the title bigger. Whoa, that's okay. I like that. You could change the color, orange. And then you can change the background. Ooh. Okay, none. I thought that was the background to the whole thing, actually. You can even put a shadow around it. And yes, The Little Teacher. That's the name of my book. Don't forget to put your name on there. And then if you want to import pictures you actually created, you can do that. Or you can just go online. Akuba Desert. That's going to be my background because some of the story takes place there. Oh, that's not going to work. Kakuma Refugee. Oh, Little Teacher. My story is about a girl who starts teaching to to the other kids at the Kakuma refugee camp. So I'm gonna add that. Then I'm gonna put it in the background. Okay. I might want to not make this my background, but we're just playing around with it. So this is my story. I'm going to go to the next page and basically copy my first event here. So I'm going to go to my story because this is mine. And I want to just copy the first part, which was the beginning. Now, I broke my story up into sections. If there's, for example, I could make this section right here, the beginning. I could put this, like my words, on 3 pages if I need to do that. Your story may be shorter than mine. That's fine. You decide how you want to do it. Oops. So then I'd go back to my story. That's a lot. I might break this up, okay? Especially since it is again third graders. So let me delete some of this. Like that part, because that's the action part. So this is the first part of my story. Then I add a little picture. And yeah, you can just play with this. And then after you finish putting whatever you want, you're then going to record your voice over it reading the story, which is going to be super cute. Boo! Oh, 3, 2, 1. Boo! 11-year-old Fiza squealed as a young boy jumped from behind the tree she was leaning on. Zareb, she shouted, but her anger seemed to make Zareb laugh. Come on, Fiza. If your mind wasn't in the clouds, you would have heard me shouting your name. So you stop the recording, listen to it.
Boo!
Whoa,
11-year-old.
that was so loud. Okay, so I'm going to use this recording and I'm done. Then I add my picture and go to the next page. Yeah, guys, have any questions? Just let me know. But this is going to be your second part of the assignment. All right, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.